Here's a tip to see whether you have decreased or not decreased. I'm making a pair of socks, and I guarantee that you will get lost when you're doing these toe decreases. So if I look at here, this part of the row, and I look carefully, let me bring it into the camera a bit more. If I look very carefully, I see that one stitch on the needle has one loop hanging from it like that. One stitch, one loop. There's no decreases there. Look at the end over here, and it looks like they're all in a row. It looks like they're nice and straight. But if I look really carefully at what's underneath this stitch here, so this stitch is the one in question. I'm going to look underneath, and there I see it's not just one loop hanging from there. It actually has two loops hanging from that stitch. And that means I have decreased. So it's easy to get lost, but this is a way to look and to see without having to track on paper. If there's one loop from one stitch, no decrease. If there's two loops from one stitch, yes, I did decrease the last time I went around there.